I really, really, really want to go to the LPS salon. Let's go. Hi, what is your name and what do you have a scheduled appointment? This line is gonna be forever. Yes, my name is Lola Evergreen. Alright, do you have a scheduled appointment? Yes, I do. Scheduled appointment for 3 exactly? Yes, approximately. Alright, the stylist will be out in 1 minute. Alright, thank you. Oh, sorry, I did not see you there. Hi, do you have a reservation for the LPS salon? And what is your name? I am Rebecca Brown. Alright, you don't seem to be the color brown, but okay. And do you have a scheduled appointment? Let me check. 4:30? Yep, no, 3:30 actually, honey. Alright, the stylist will be out right when she comes out. Hi, do you have a scheduled appointment? No, my wife says she's coming. Hi. Hi, miss. Do you have a scheduled appointment? No, but I want to have one today. Salon trip today. Sorry, ma'am. You can only have an appointment, or you have to get set back like an hour or so. Fine. I'll do that. What is your name? Stella. Alright, come on, babe. Let's go sit. Oh, no chairs. God. It looks like we're animals. Oh, my dog, Stacy. Oh, hey. Are we still up for that movie tonight? Yep. Okay, bye. Lola Evergreen. Oh, that's me. Bye. Bye. Text me. Finally. Alright, let's go. Alright. I'm down. 30 minutes later. Is that Lola? Lola, is that you? Yep, it is. She did an amazing job, didn't she? Yes, she did. Goodness, I really want it. Alright, have a nice day. Here's your money, and bye. Thank you. You guys did such an amazing job here today. Thank you. Rebecca Brown. Ooh, that's me. Yes? Follow me right this way, please. Okay. be edited. Edited. Alright, right this way, miss. Okay, do you have any accessories on? Nope. Alright, perfect. Hop in the tub, would you? Oh, alright. Just relax, okay? While I do the signature thing. Shampoo. Perfect. Alright. Pardon me. It's okay. Alright, let me get you a towel so you can dry off. Here. Oh, thank you. Alright, I'm ready for the next step. Alright. Come over here, would you? Alright. Take the towel off, would you? Okay. Just set it on the table. Thank you. There we go. Oops, everything's falling, as you can tell. Sorry. It's alright. You didn't mean to. Alright, hair dryer. Hair dryer. Ooh, hair dryer. Alright. Here. Now can you step into the transformation machine? Alright. Can do. Alright, let me press the buttons. Boop, boop, boop. 30 minutes later. You may come out now. Do I look good? Oh, you look fabulous. Come here. Alright. Oh, dog. I look beautiful. Thank you so much. You did an amazing job. Why, thank you. Come again if you want to change your mind, okay? Follow me. Amazing. How do I look, guys? Comment down below if you think I look pretty than before. Goosh, 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 goosh. Totally editing, guys. Don't worry. Come on, out you go. Alright, thank you. I just want to thank you again. You did such an amazing job, both of you. Thank you so much. No problem. Stella? Alright. Bye, hon. Bye. Follow me right this way, please. Hi, do you have a scheduled appointment? What is your name and do you have a scheduled appointment? It's me, Rebecca Brown. Rebecca, you look so good. Thanks. You guys did amazing. Awesome. Okay. That will be $30 plus tax, of course. Here you go. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Oops. Hopefully my boyfriend's waiting for me outside. He did ride in the car. He just hid in the back. Oh, where is my girlfriend? Hi. Hi, have you seen my girlfriend? She is pink and she is a very pretty girl. It's me, silly. Rebecca. Rebecca Brown? Babe, you're so beautiful. Let's go home and get some ice cream. All right. Step aside. Well, guys, I hope you enjoy it, and if you're wondering, we're in front of my door, so yeah, it took me a lot of time to edit and all that other stuff, so I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, comment, like, and subscribe for more LPS videos like this, and I hope you enjoyed.